the country, but the blueberries still connect. On the low, but the yacht got a triple deck. But when you young, what you expect? Yep. Grand opening, grand closing. Damn your manhole, crack the can open again. Who you gonna find open ahead with no pen? Just draw inspiration. Who you gonna see you can't replace him? Cheap imitation from this generation. Do you want more? Cook and roll with the Brooklyn Balls. One last time, I need y'all to roll. Now what the hell are you waiting for? There should be no more. So one last time, make some noise. What the hell are you waiting for? Look what you made me do. Look what I made for you. Knew if I paid my dues, how will it pay you? When you first come in the game and try to play you, then you drop a couple of hits. Look how they wave to you. From Marcy to Madison Square, to the only thing that matters is just a matter of years. As fate would have it, J status appears to be at an all-time high. Perfect time to say goodbye. When I come back like Jordan, we're in the 4-5. It ain't to play games with you, it's to aim with you. Probably name you. If I owe you, I'm blowing you to smithereens. Except I take one for your team, and I need you to remember one thing. I came, I saw, I conquered. The record sale, sold out concerts. Come up, won't want this encore. I need you to scream till your lungs can soar.
Coming over there.
Tired of being what you want me to be.
There's one over there.
Feeling so faithless, lost under the surface. Don't know what you're expecting of me, but under the pressure of walking in your shoes. Every step that I take is another mistake to you. like a star.